How could the documents be doubtful? PS Bank President has practically said and confirmed it's
Authentic
real
ang content.
and
Di ba
authentic.
hindi pa naman sila nagkakaroon ng comparison?
Oh,
This
pero-
original and the fake one?
Oh, pero
The so-called fake one?
practically today, when he was supposed to say that it's fake, he never said it's fake. In fact, nagdagdag pa siya na lalo nagko-confirm doon sa dokumento. Like as we said, it is not important to us if it is fake or not. We acted in good faith. Hindi namin niloloko yung Senate Impeachment Court. And more importantly, tunay yung laman. Lahat ng laman doon, kinonfirm at napatunayan na talagang pagmamayari ng Chief Justice Corona.
So ang pwede lang, ang logical na panggalingan nun ay mayroong naglabas galing sa PS Bank.
Maaaring ganun ang pwede nating ma-conclude. Pero hindi po natin masabi yan conclusively kasi hindi po natin alam kung saan talaga galing.
And whoever did that, wala sa prosecution law.
Paano natin gagawin yan? Kailangan niya manggaling sa loob ng bangko. Kung sino man yun, that person was a good Samaritan.
Sir, do it.
No, that person was a good Samaritan. That person
Could be the
was a
small lady.
concerned citizen
Yung malasakit sa bayan.
na may malasakit sa bayan para may labas ang katotohanan.
Hindi kaya yung may-ari ng bangko.
Hindi siguro. Kasi matagal na nilabanan ng may-ari ng bangko yung paglabas nito. They have been uncooperative. And in fact, have only been cooperative once na-file na yung or natanggap yung
Malacanang must have something to do with this. Ano yung magiging sagot yung pagkakaroon ng kanilang masasabi?
Well, the defense has been talagang clutching at straws.
couldn't
Talagang
contain as
desperado
much
na
as
yung depensa at sinusubukan nila humanap ng paraan para maisantabi yung na-establish ng 31 million na 2010. At ngayon, tatlong major accounts na ang opening balance ng lahat ng yun ay umabot ng 36 million. We withdraw noong December 12, 2011 on the day of the impeachment. So, kung anong pinakamagandang pruweba na makatotohanan yon ay the fact na lahat ng bank accounts doon ay kinonfirm na totoo.
Okay. Sir, ano magiging epekto nun? Assuming na talagang paniniwalaan yung sinasabi ni Congressman Banal and of course, they express good faith on